Thank you for pressing a button. Thank you so much. We're gonna play that show for you. So right now I'm gonna shut up. Oh yes I am. I'm going to shut up right now so we can play your show. I'm gonna shut up. Oh yes I am shutting up, I'm shutting up right now. I'm shutting up, shutting up. And we'll be right back with your show. And I'm shutting up. Well, I got you. Just that button now, hit me up. Want to see the show now, don't you? Well, we're gonna get it to you. Give it to you, give it to you, give it to you. So just sit down. Way to the North Pole, they got these things called polar bears. We ain't got none of those, but we do have a solar bear. His name's Big Bear, so get your mittens together, folks. Sit back and enjoy our musical break.